Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 5 of research methodology and the second part of how to write a research paper. In the previous episode I showed you how to write a systematic literature review. I told you that the systematic literature review should contain these parts. Okay, some of them was really important. For example, research method, analytical questions, the research criteria, technical taxonomy, summary of tables, and also discussion and comparison. Okay, but research method, analytical question, and taxonomy are the most important and mandatory in a systematic literature review. But as I told to you, it is a systematic review. It has a methodology to write, as I showed you before. But what's the difference of this research paper, with a survey? Okay, these parts are not mandatory. Survey is up to survey organization, and the structure of the paper is up to the opinion and point of the authors, and it can be varied in different cases. Okay, so let me show you a very nice and excellent accepted and published survey in a prestigious journal, IEEE Access. Okay, so as I told to you, this is as I told to you before, it's a research paper, a systematic literature review, and it contains, let me show you, it contains these parts that I talked with you: the research criteria, research method, analytical questions, and so on. These are research criteria and so on. Okay, this is technical taxonomy and so on that I discussed. But this is a survey. It's a survey that is published in IEEE Access, open access journal, which is really prestigious, and many high quality research papers are published in this journal. This is a very nice work about hardware and software optimizations for accelerating deep neural networks, survey of current trends, challenge, and road ahead. This is also a very nice title. You see, the title will give us everything about the paper. Okay, so we can see that this is the abstract, and also instead of keywords we can also write index terms. Introduction, as I told to you, many nice figures. If you add figures, it will give a more value to your paper, a contribution to your paper, and it's I suggest you to do this. And also don't forget to add a reference when you use a concept behind the figure. For example, like this, for example, this figure is made by the others, but a concept and some statistics is behind that, so they use this reference, and it's a very professional method. Okay, so also we can see that in some papers like this, table of acronyms can also become in the first part of the paper. And one more important thing that is not related to this research, in the break I told to you that this is really nice for those who are in computer science, especially in computer architecture. This is very trendy topic right now. As you know, accelerated computing is very trendy. It helps, it came to help a lot to AI and many computing areas, and it's really hot. Just came to my mind for those who are studying, and those who are interested in research in computer, especially computer architecture. Okay, these are the introduction, list of acronyms, and then we can see that, yeah, this is a very nice outline of the papers. You can see this is a very long paper, 47 pages, and we can see that this survey, as I told to you, the parts are up to the opinion of others, and some parts that we discuss in a systematic literature review are not mandatory, and maybe not here, as you can see. For example, after introduction, you can see background on deep neural networks. There are some fundamental concepts and some literatures. Then hardware solution and co-design. For example, in this topic, based on your research, these topics can change, but you can see they have investigated this topic and categorized it to many branches and many subjects, like for example temporal views, spatial architectures, and many things, tools for design, space exploration, many hot and important topics in your context. Okay, then another important topic, benchmarking, and also challenge and road ahead, the open problems, the future, and the challenges, distinction from other surveys, right? Very nice. Also they put it in the end. As I told to you, it's based on the others opinion. Maybe some others put at the first, but it's also nice to put in the end. And also conclusion and reference. Okay, let's look at this paper and then finish this short episode. You can see these are very nice. They add some figures by themselves that's really interesting and nice. You can see also when a theoretical background or a concept is behind that, or a scientific fact, they use a reference. Okay, so we can see also for the equations, you should use numbers. Very nice pictures and figures, equations. We can see. You can see that the quality of the paper is really nice. Really, you can see very high quality figures and nice presentations. Also different ways of presentations. As I told to you, summary tables are really important, and it's a must in review papers. You can see also many figures that gives value to this work, many really nice, and just go ahead. You can see that in each part, for example in each topic, many works are discussed, each of them in a paragraph. Okay, and for example for another topics, again the works related to this topic is discussed and is analyzed by the others. Okay, such of these surveys give a very good, excellent vision to the researchers who want to work in this area. Okay, and I intentionally selected this survey for you because it's really hot topic, as I told to you. This is also comparison of tools design. You can see again the tables are really important. Don't forget to add the reference, and you can see that all of the best characteristics and features of a review paper are presented in this review paper, in this survey paper. Okay, and we are getting close to the end of the paper. So you can see many diagrams that add values and contribution of this work, many tables, and at last but maybe you can say that this is a very long paper work. Okay, no problem, it's based on your capability. Maybe you write a shorter one, no problem, the quality is important. Okay, and at the last one, the last topic, you can see benchmarking and again some analysis. And at last I also will put this paper, which is open access, the link for you to see. And also it's very nice work to introduce the data sets that are used in this survey. This is a really nice work, and this is framework summary, and also some other data set summary, which is a really nice work to do. Also they put the creator and also year of creation and tasks, and again challenge. This is the last topic, challenge and the road ahead or open problems. We can see here that is really nice organization, and at the last they have at all of the concepts and discussion. Right now they are discussing about the distinction from other surveys. Okay, that it's will highlight the value of this paper. And at last, conclusion and references, which you can see there are plenty, very much of references here, more than 100 reference, which make it a really valuable work, more than 200, and yeah, maybe 300, and as I told to you, at the end you can add the others paper, others pick, and a brief biography from them, which is really nice, and it's a good thing to do. Okay, it was a short episode for introducing you what is a survey and what's the difference between a survey and a systematic literature review. I hope that this episode was useful and informative for you, and hope you see you on the next videos. Bye.